Welcome to my YouTube channel Safety Guidelines. My name is Fahim Azam. My topic is on road safety. Let me remind you that the last couple of slides are very informative. So it is requested to watch my video till the end. Make sure to subscribe my channel too. What is the meaning of road safety? Road safety means methods and measures aimed at reducing the likelihood or the risk of persons using the road network getting involved in a collision or an incident that may cause property damages, serious injuries and or death. What are the main issues around road safety? Unsafe vehicles and unsafe road infrastructure can negatively impact safety on the roads. Inadequate post crash care and inadequate law enforcement of the traffic laws. What is the solution for road safety? Drive in the prescribed speed limits on the various roads. Always remember that speed thrills but kills. Always put on helmets, seat belts, and other safety equipments before driving a bicycle, motorbike, or a vehicle. How can we maintain road safety? Important traffic rules to follow to ensure safety while driving. Number 1. Always wear a seat belt. Number 2. Avoid distractions. Number 3. Do not cross the speed limits. Number 4. Service your car regularly. Number 5. Follow traffic rules. Number 6. Maintain lane discipline. Number 7. Be careful during bad weather. Number 8. Maintain a safe distance. What are the benefits of road safety? Let's see the benefits of defensive driving. Reduce driving risks, improves your driving skills, accident free techniques, maximum protection, no violation charges, less maintenance, save on repair cost. Hope you like my video. I appreciate if you keep on watching till the end. Some figures from WHO on road accidents. 1.3 million people die each year as a result of road crashes. Road traffic injuries are the leading cause of death for children and young adults aged 5 to 29 years. From a young age, males are more likely to be involved in road traffic crashes than females. About three quarters, 73% of all road traffic deaths occur among young males under the age of 25 years, who are almost three times as likely to be killed in a road traffic crash as young females. What is the most important rule of the road? There is no point in causing an accident when it is avoidable, as you could end up injuring yourself or someone else. So the most important rule of using the road is to drive to avoid accident or harm to other road users. So pay attention and be alert. What is the importance of the rules of the road? Following the rules of the road provide our experience. Thus, it assists in avoiding accidents. Another important cause to follow traffic rules is that we can protect several other lives too by our responsible driving. What are the four types of road signs? Circular signs give orders, triangular signs warn, and rectangular signs inform. Blue circles generally give a mandatory instruction such as a U-turn or no left turn, or indicate a route available only to particular classes of traffic, for example buses and cycles only. How do you stay safe when your car breaks down? What to do when your car breaks down? Number 1. Turn on your hazards emergency lights. Slow down and pull off the road. Number 3. Turn your wheels away from the road and put on the emergency brake. Number 4. Stay in your vehicle. Number 5. Be visible. Number 6. Set up flares or triangles. Number 7. Call for help. Dear viewers, it's a lengthy and important topic, so my team shall develop a separate video on it. Later on, it will be uploaded for your views. Thank you for watching my video. Do remember to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to receive notifications regarding latest safety topics. Like, comment and share my videos to encourage me and my team. Have a good time. See you in the next clip. Till then, goodbye.